Despite the scorching sun, our production is in full swing. Today we'd like to introduce our 30-meter large Gantry milling machine. This 30-meter large Gantry milling machine is truly a workhouse in our workshop. This machine is primarily used to machine the frames of our forming machines, capable of producing over 20 meters of machine bodies at a time. The benefits of this integrated process are clear. The frame is smoother. The machine operates more stably, and the resulting tails are of higher precision. This is one of the keys of our equipment's high precision and stability.